Demonstration of all functions of MT9 ULTRA. There is an instruction manual in the package to teach you how to operate. An OLED curved screen head, 2 watch straps and a magnetic charger. Long press to power on. There are more than a dozen languages to choose from after power on. Smooth menu interface. Long press to change the watch face. A variety of dials for you to choose. The upper swipe is the quick setting bar. Screen brightness adjustment. A variety of brightness for you to choose. The setting function can be edited and deleted by itself. Right slide is the shortcut function bar. Swipe left for health statistics, heart rate detection, sleep detection records, weather forecast, and local music. Sliding down is information notification. Double-click to toggle the menu. Dozens of functions to meet all your requirements. ECG monitoring. Alipay payment code. Scan the QR code to connect. Smartwatch factory reset. Shutdown, restart, SOS function. Software running in the background. Body temperature test function. Bluetooth connection mobile phone call function. Various common payment software. Watch screen time adjustment. Geomagnetic compass. No longer worry about getting lost. Dozens of sports functions. Record sports indicators at any time. 2 menu choices. Drainage depth detection. Watch alarm settings. Local recording function. Up to 2 hours recording. Blood oxygen health check. Language setting. More than a dozen languages for you to choose. Smartwatch time. SMS notification. Flashlight function. Smartwatch timing function. Control the phone to shake and take pictures. Breathing training system. Sports and health statistics. WinWatch function. Casual game Fast and Furious racing. Blood pressure test. Sleep monitoring record. Heart rate detection function. Keep an eye on health. Smartwatch information introduction. Local music function. Can store multiple music. Watch setting function. Many applications waiting for you to explore. Smartwatch contacts. Calculator function. Alarm function. Distress use. Casual game Flying Birds. The background running function button can display the function that is running in the background. You can also delete the background operation. The third custom button function can be directly reached by your favorite function. Long press can change this key function.